Plumbing AI has existed in various forms for at least 20 years. However, we did not call it AI or artificial intelligence, it was just part of our industry's evolution. Think of infrared detectors, drain cameras, iPhone camera technology, leak detection equipment, water monitoring, NUMAP and so on. These developments have evolved from medical technology advancements, enabling us to look inside pipes like doctors insert cameras into our bodies. Technology is advancing rapidly, touching every part of our lives, and the plumbing industry is no exception. Plumbing AI is the latest innovation transforming how we manage and maintain our plumbing systems. At Whywait Plumbing, we're not just following the trend, we're setting it and leading the way in the AI revolution of the plumbing industry. Our commitment to adopting cutting-edge technology ensures that our clients receive the best service possible. Plumbing AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's here and now, transforming how we approach plumbing issues. At Whywait Plumbing, we're excited about these advancements and committed to leveraging them to provide the best possible service to our clients by training our employees to use plumbing AI as an additional diagnostic tool. By adopting AI technologies, we can ensure that your plumbing systems are functional, efficient, and sustainable. Embrace the future with us and experience the revolution of plumbing AI. Ultimately, plumbing AI is another management tool that will assist skilled and trained plumbing technicians in managing plumbing systems in your home or commercial premises. Remember, choose Whywait and consider it done.